Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. I am Mrs. Yasmin Iftikhar from Multan Public School and College. From the subject of chemistry, chapter number 4, I will discuss about the topics polar and non-polar covalent bonds. First of all, we discuss about the polar covalent bonds. The bond pair of the electron is shared between the two atoms unequally. It is due to the difference in electronegativity. The more electronegative atom pulls the atom towards itself more powerfully than the other one. This is the reason that one attains partial negative charge on it and the other attains partial positive charge on it. The non-polar covalent bonds are those type of bonds in which the electrons are shared equally. The electronegativity difference between the two atoms are the equal. One atom can share the electrons equally with the other atom. The atom at the same time contains partial negative charge on it, and on the next movement it contains partial positive charge on it. The second topic of today is intermolecular forces. These forces are the weak forces of attraction between the molecules. These are also known as van der Waals forces. The type of these forces are dipole-dipole forces and hydrogen bonding. First of all, we discuss the dipole-dipole forces. As we discussed earlier, that the polar covalent bond has unequal distribution of electrons between the atoms. It makes two poles, the partial positive one and the partial negative one. The partial negative charge atom attracts the partial positive charge atom of another molecule. It causes polarity, and it also causes the two poles between the atoms, between the molecules of the two bonded atoms. This is the reason these forces are known as dipole-dipole forces. For example, in HCl, the partial positive charge is present on hydrogen atom, while the partial negative charge is present on the chlorine atom. The chlorine attracts the partial positive charge of the hydrogen atom of the other molecule. This is the reason it creates the dipole-dipole forces. The second type of intramolecular forces are hydrogen bonding. It is the electromagnetic attraction between the polar molecule in which the hydrogen is bonded with larger atoms such as oxygen and nitrogen. This is not a sharing of electron as in covalent bond, but it is just an attraction of hydrogen atom with other atoms such as oxygen and nitrogen. For example, in water molecule, hydrogen attracts only the oxygen atom of the other molecule. This creates hydrogen bonding. Today's topic is completed. Thanks.